I'm Hohe Ryan Brandenburg. Today I want to talk to you and share about something that is potentially transformative. I will speak about something that connects us, not just to each other, but also to our life-giving earth. This is about earth-based governance, an innovative group decision-making framework based on consent, inclusivity, and respect for all voices. We operate in circles. The circle is a universal structure found throughout nature, from the tiniest atom to the vast sequoias of our forests. It's this very form that we embrace for decision-making, aligning ourselves with the wisdom of the natural world. Imagine a world where every member has a voice, a world where the process of engagement fosters unity instead of division. The wisdom of earth-based protocols, which include all voices and perspective, has been pushed aside. But what if we could relearn this approach? Could it help us address the urgent issues facing our world? In 1968, a path opened up for me that I will just refer to as earth-based spirituality. Aside from the direct influence of Mother Earth, my primary teachers in this regard were comprised of Native American traditionals, people who went according to the old ways and were also open to sharing things with me. While I don't claim to represent these cultures, I've been fortunate enough to learn from those who honor the old ways, traditional peoples who are open to sharing their knowledge. As Europeans, we can best understand this way as a living approach rather than a set of instructions or stories, although it is that too. It's a mindset that respects the earth and all its inhabitants, acknowledging that how we communicate and make decisions is just as important as the decisions themselves.